chronic back stiffness, and a stubborn midsection. Long hours of sitting compress your spine and slow your metabolism. Spend 10 minutes daily with these low-impact movements to relieve joint pressure and restore mobility. Let's begin. First movement, knee raise with chest expansion. Pull your elbows back horizontally while lifting one knee. This opens up tight pectoral muscles and strengthens hip flexors. Keep your standing leg stable to protect the knee joint. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Next movement, alternating arm swings. Swing your arms up and down rhythmically, engaging your shoulders. This movement improves shoulder joint mobility and relieves upper back tension. Relax your neck muscles completely during the swing. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Next movement, torso twist with loose arm swings. Rotate your upper body from the waist, letting your arm swing naturally. This gently decompresses the lumbar spine and activates deep abdominal muscles. Keep your pelvis facing forward. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Next movement, backward step with overhead reach. Step 1 foot back while extending both arms straight up. This elongates the spine and decompresses the lower back. Feel the deep stretch through your lats and core. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Next movement, backward step with horizontal extension. Step back diagonally while opening your arms straight to the sides. This opens up the chest and improves shoulder blade alignment. Focus on stabilizing your core with each step. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, alternating arm circles with torso rotation. Rotate your torso as your arms alternate, drawing big circles from top to bottom. This releases shoulder joint stiffness and enhances thoracic mobility. Keep your movement steady and controlled. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, chest level arm clapping. Extend your arms straight out at shoulder height and clap firmly. This exercise activates the pectoral muscles and improves shoulder blade stability. Keep your spine erect and core engaged throughout. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, alternating vertical arm swings. Swing one arm vertically overhead while the other extends parallel to the ground. This movement increases shoulder range of motion and decompresses upper back joints. Avoid arching your lower back. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, squat with overhead reach to calf raise. Lower into a squat with arms extended upward, then lift onto your toes as arms lower. This strengthens quadriceps and calf muscles while training ankle stability. Keep knees aligned with toes. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, chest pull to parallel extension. Draw your arms open across the chest, then extend them straight out. This targets the upper back rhomboids and opens tight chest muscles. Engage the shoulder blades deliberately with each repetition. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, diagonal step back with arm circles. Step back diagonally while circling your arms in front of your chest. This motion strengthens glutes and hip stabilizers while enhancing shoulder coordination. Keep your weight centered and hips square. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, side to side parallel arm stretch. Extend both arms horizontally and stretch them rhythmically from left to right. This movement targets the lateral torso muscles and relieves lower back tightness. Keep your pelvis locked facing forward. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, knee raise with downward arm swing. Drive your knee up while swinging both arms down past your hips. This builds core stability and burns lower abdominal fat. Keep your spine straight. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, front and back clapping. Rhythmically clap your hands in front of your chest, then behind your lower back. This increases shoulder flexibility and relieves shoulder blade stiffness. Keep your neck relaxed. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, upward arm circles. Cross your arms in front, circle them overhead, and let them drop naturally. This expands the thoracic cavity and releases tight upper back muscles. Move from your shoulders. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, side to side weight shift stretch. Lower into a half squat and shift your weight rhythmically from left to right. This strengthens the quadriceps and stretches inner thigh muscles. Keep your torso upright. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, forward tap with arm patting. Tap one foot forward while swinging your arms to gently pat your body. This stimulates local circulation and eases muscle tension in your lower limbs. Maintain a steady pace. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, arm swings with heel to toe raises. Swing your arms while rocking rhythmically from your toes to your heels. This exercises ankle joints and strengthens calf muscles. Focus on your balance. Workout complete. You have successfully finished today's session, activating your muscles and releasing joint pressure. Consistency builds long-term physical strength. Write day 1 done in the comments below to track your progress. See you tomorrow.